జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. That is why, O Sitamma, please do not worry about Rama. Like this, when Lakshmana Swami said to Sitamma, Sitamma started getting so much of anger, kruddha, samraktalochana. Her eyes became so red, and then abravit parusham vakyam Lakshmanam satyavadinam. She started talking, responding back to Lakshmana very rudely. And she started saying like Sitamma got angry after listening to Lakshmana. Her eyes turned very red. She started speaking harshly, saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, Anarya Nrusamsaha, you are cruel. Kulapamsanaha, you are a disgrace to the family. Oh Lakshmana, it looks like you are taking pleasure in seeing Rama in danger and trouble. You are very wicked. Oh Lakshmana, it looks like you are hiding your true nature. You came with Rama to cause harm to Rama, and it looks like Bharata and you combinedly planning this to do something to Rama and to get me. Oh Lakshmana, that will never happen. Remember that. Indivarasyamam Padmapatra Nibhekshanam. Oh Lakshmana, the one who has lotus-like beautiful eyes and beautiful complexion, such Rama, I have held his hands. And these hands will never touch any other hands, anyone. Oh Lakshmana, without Rama, I cannot live on this earth even for a moment. There is no doubt on this. When Sitamma spoke like this, Abravit Lakshmana Sitam Pranjalihi. Again now, Lakshmana Swami started saying that he could not listen to Sitamma's harsh words, and he controlled himself and saying to Sitamma that, "Oh Sitamma, Uttaram notsahe vaktum, I cannot speak against you, but I cannot even use such harsh words to you. Oh Sitamma, Daivatam bhavati mama, I respect you like Devata. But it is not surprising that Nachitram Strishu Maithilihi, women speaking these kind of words when they are in so much of anger. Oh Sitamma, that is very nature, svabhavastu esha narinam. That is very nature of the woman. Evam lokeshu drusyate. It is very common in this world, and we get to see women using these kind of words when they are in anger. Like this, Lakshmana Swami responding to Sitamma, and Lakshmana Swami doing namaskaram to Sitamma while speaking to her. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.